and today I'm going to show you how to fold my design, the Hawker, and it's not the best at flying, and this is a big model of it because I used a very big piece of paper, so that's this. So as you can see, it has a few details like these, and so let's move into it. So I got this same looking green piece of paper, and so first thing you do is fold it this way to make it look like this, and then you fold it here, exactly looking like this way, and then like this. And then you basically turn it around, and then you push it up like this and fold it. And as you can see, it starts to look more like this. And then you might want to tuck these two in here. And then you fold this to that side, but make sure to not do totally this, because then it won't work. So do this and then fold it, and then as I like to do, I folded up these. You can do both of them, and it's pretty simple, so that's how you make the model.